Hello everyone, this is the IPO review of Map My India, parent company CE Infosystem Limited bringing IPO this week. In fact, it is ongoing. Tomorrow is the last day to file your bidding. We'll just go through the broad company's business profile, then the financials of company, and then we will try to look at what is the potential of this business in upcoming years and what is the scope for business expansion for the company. Let's go to the basic business profile of the company. Here is a picture in front of you. I have collected information across the internet from various websites. Here is a picture. Map My India is a leading service provider of advanced digital maps, geospatial software and location-based IoT technologies in India. The company is a data and technology products and platforms company, offering proprietary digital maps as a service, software as a service, platform as a service company. The company provides products, platforms, application programming interfaces called as APIs and solutions across range of digital map data, software, IoT for the Indian market under Map My India brand and for international market under Mappls brand. The digital maps offered by the company cover 6.29 million kilometers of roads in India, representing 98.5% of India's road network. Company's digital map data provides location, navigation, analytics and other information of 7,933 towns, 6,37,000 and 472 villages, 17.79 million places across many categories such as retail shop, restaurant, ATM, hotel, police station, electric vehicle, charging station, etc. and 14.51 million house or building addresses. The company's real view maps provide actual roadside and on-ground views based on 400 million, that is 40 crore geo-referenced photos, videos and 360-degree panoramas across India. Company serves the BFSI, telecom, FMCG, industrial, logistic, transportation sectors. It has a memorandum of understanding with ISRO, Niti Aayog, National E-Governance Division, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Apart from that, customers such as PhonePe, Flipkart, Yulu, SDFC Bank, Airtel, Hyundai and so on. The subscription fee, royalty, annuity payments together contributed around 90% of the company's revenue in fiscal year 2021. For one more picture in front of you. N-CASE Automotive and Mobility Tech Solution Suite. Map My India provides in-vehicle, hyperlocal, content-rich, turn-by-turn, offline, online and hybrid navigation assistance systems, including connected navigation, in-vehicle commerce and voice assistant solutions. ये एक important point है. ये जो electric vehicle mobility solutions and autonomous vehicle emerging trend है, this could be one of the important point. Finally, one more picture. The company's data powers Apple Inc.'s Maps, Amazon.com's Alexa voice assistant. The company customers, okay, the customers include ये हमने देखे MG Motor, Safe Express and Goods and Service Tax Network is also the customer of the company. Okay, let's go to the financials of the company. This is the picture in front of you which depicts the financials of the company. Revenue 163 crore, 163 crore, 192 crore in past 3 financial years. Half yearly revenue stands at 122 crore. Profit 60 crore for the last financial year, approximately half yearly profit around 46 crore. This is the financial position of the company. IPO के डिटेल्स आपके सामने. 9th December को IPO ओपन हुआ है. Tomorrow, that is 13 December, is the closing date. 2 rupees per equity share is the face value. 14 shares का bid है, lot है, and you can bid in lots. IPO price 1000 to 1033. This is the price band in which you have to apply for the IPO. Now, this being the overview of the company. Okay, और एक बात, कंपनी लिस्ट कब होने वाला है ये मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. देयर इज अ ओपन डेट, क्लोजिंग डेट है 13 दिसंबर, अलॉटमेंट 16 दिसंबर, इनिशिएशन ऑफ रिफंड 17 दिसंबर, क्रेडिट ऑफ डीमैट शेयर्स 28 दिसंबर, listing 21st December 2021. So this was about the company's business profile and financials. Abhi, point is that this is an interesting company, point number one, because there is no other company in the listed segment, or if I am not wrong, even in a private space, there is no such company which is comparable on one-on-one basis, at least in India. Applications of this data which this company has are very wide ranging, starting from goods and services tax, navigation, Uber, Ola, host of other location based services, logistics, transportation, warehousing, e-commerce, then property tax collection, optimization of resources, everywhere. Road, railways, you name it, there are businesses which are connected to this service. Very wide. Finance, banking में location important है, where you are located. Even if you see when you are using certain payment apps, they ask for your location. So location is becoming integral part of a digital ecosystem in which this company is plays in a very unique way. पुराना कंपनी है, 94, 92 से मार्केट में है, and it's been a long time companies in this domain, and vast data which company has, and it's been updating since years, and a company का IPO का timing is the best, timing इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से पकड़ लिया है, definitely. On an upper price band, company is valued around 5,500 crores. 5,500 crores इसका market capitalization होगा if the company goes list at a upper price band. Definitely, company seems to be undervalued in this offer. 5,500 crore for such company is undervalued. इससे ज़्यादा है. So definitely on a listing gains के लिए जो देख रहे हैं, there will be a good listing gains, no doubt. But ये कोई criteria नहीं है IPO को analyze करने का. Long term prospects of the business are very strong, very strong, and applications in areas such as mobility solutions, electric vehicles, e-commerce, transportation, hyperlocal logistics, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इनके applications है और अब तक ये ecosystem emerge हो रहा है. Okay, even when you look at the property housing market, tax collection, tax efficiency, government इनका client है, आप देख सकते हो. Government is a client of this company, and government को ये data की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है, कहाँ toll लगाना है, toll tax, ये वो. See, there are number of applications, and more importantly, clients such as Apple and Amazon, जो कि Fortune 500 list में एकदम top 10, 20 में है. Such clients are there with the company. That too, American companies, which are rapidly expanding business. In fact, when I say PhonePe, it is nothing but the Walmart. So, number one Fortune 500 company, client of the this MapMyIndia CE Infosystem Limited. Very rich company, very unique business model, and they are doing their business religiously. इसका application बहुत ज़्यादा है when we are looking at the upcoming trend of data analytics, big data analytics, blockchain. This company location based services, ये और government के भी initiatives है where they are tagging the properties based on the location and satellite data. तो इसका land records बहुत application है. Their company can play a critical role, and there is a very high possibility of scaling company के लिए बहुत आसान है business का, because it's nothing but a data and a data service and technology, जैसे उन्होंने business profile में ही कहा है. So very unique, scalability का possibility बहुत ज़्यादा है, and definitely when if you ask my opinion, it is very positive about this company. you research on your own and look into the company. अंडरवैल्यूड है इस प्राइस बैंड में, डेफिनेटली ग्रे मार्केट प्राइस और जो भी है वो अच्छा ही होगा. डेफिनेटली इट माइट लिस्ट अराउंड 100, 150, 200% भी इसका लिस्टिंग गेन्स हो सकता है, पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि ऐसा कोई बिजनेस मॉडल ही नहीं है. आप देखिए, और ऊपर से कंपनी प्रॉफिटेबल है, 30-35% इनफैक्ट प्रॉफिट मार्जिन है कंपनी का, विच इज वेरी इंप्रेसिव. हाई प्रॉफिट मार्जिन बिजनेस है. और अब ग्रोथ आपको तभी दिखेगा व्हेन दिस डिजिटल इकोसिस्टम एंड डिजिटाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन अ रियल वर्ल्ड विच इज हैपनिंग नाउ. तो आगे ग्रोथ के पॉसिबिलिटीज बहुत ज्यादा है कंपनी के लिए, और कोई भी इसका कॉम्पिटिटर, सो फार एज आई नो देयर इज नो अदर कॉम्पिटिटर इन द मार्केट. सो इन अ वे इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ मोनोपोली एंड वेरी हाई मार्केट शेयर कंपनी का है. सो डेफिनेटली इट्स अ थम्स अप फॉर द IPO. Thank you for watching the video. Do share this video with your friends, relatives and like-minded people. Subscribe to this channel for interesting updates. Even the videos, and I keep on posting certain texts on YouTube itself on a community page which you will find if you subscribe to the channel. हमारे Twitter और Instagram channel और pages भी है. You can subscribe to that also. Thank you.